Hello. So let's discuss this OSCE. A patient, 55-year-old male with a history of hypertension, hyperlipidemia, coronary artery disease, had a drug-eluting stent placed in his left anterior descending artery 1 year ago. He has been taking aspirin and clopidogrel since then and is scheduled for elective inguinal hernia repair. What are the two important anesthetic concerns with respect to drug-eluting stent? So the two important anesthetic concerns is bleeding and the risk of stent thrombosis. How would you manage the anticoagulant therapy in this patient? Now, this patient had a stenting done 1 year back. So this is a safe time. We can stop the DAPT therapy and we can stop the clopidogrel of the DAPT therapy and put the patient on aspirin and take the patient for surgery. So we will stop clopidogrel 4 to 5 days prior to surgery, continue the aspirin and take the patient for surgery. If this patient had a stent 4 months ago, and has presented for emergency obstructed hernia surgery, what would be the management option with respect to anticoagulants? So patient had the stenting done 4 months ago, and we need a minimum gap of 6 months to 1 year between stenting and elective surgery, between stenting and surgery, because of if we stop the DAPT before that, there is a risk of stent thrombosis. But here the gap is only 4 months and the surgery is emergency. The emergency surgery has to be done. The recommendation is that the emergency surgeries can be done 3 to 6 months, let's say after the stenting. I mean, if it's a dire emergency, we have to take it immediately and reverse the antiplatelet by giving the effect of antiplatelet and correct the INR by giving the fresh frozen plasma and take the patient for surgery. So here also we can take the patient for surgery, but it's an obstructed hernia repair and the surgery may not be a surgery with a high risk of bleeding. So we may continue the DAPT also and take the patient for surgery. But if it would have been a surgery with a high risk of bleeding, we would have stopped the clopidogrel and reversed the effect of clopidogrel by giving fresh frozen plasma and taking the patient for surgery.